Bichon Frise is also known as a cheerful and energetic dog, so it loves to play and interact with humans. Its gentle and affectionate nature makes it suitable as a family pet, especially for children. However, because of its thick fur, Bichon Frise requires regular grooming to keep it clean and free from tangles. In addition, this dog is also quite intelligent and easy to train, especially if given lots of praise and attention. With enough affection, Bichon Frise can be a loyal friend and always bring joy to the house.